Hey Andy, this is Erica. So, one concept that I have for how to use the screencast as a tool for my students in an English class for high school is making a map out of a fictional place. For instance, to kill a mockingbird. It takes place in Maycomb, Alabama, which is actually a fictional town. Well, one thing that I could incorporate into a lesson plan is to have students put together a map of what this town might look like. So, we could have the courthouse, we could have Scout's house, we could have the woods, and any other place in the book that they feel tells the story. So one thing we could do here is there is software called Inkarnate that is a free map making software. And I would start out with watching this YouTube video called Let's Make a Fantasy Map, and it kind of details how to go over this software. And I started one here, so we're just going to come into inkarnate.com, create a map, and then choose your style, digital landscape. And then the fun thing is you can play around with all the tools on here, and you can get trees, you can get different textured backgrounds, you can start labeling things like, for instance, courthouse, Scout's house, woods, and then come and grab out different pieces, like obviously woods probably has trees, so we'll put some trees in here. And some different shapes. So this can actually get really detailed. You can go through different layers, different brush options, colors, textures. You can get really detail oriented, and it's really up to the student how deeply they want to develop their map. But this is just one idea to incorporate into a literature lesson.